Welcome to today's video on using AI to create custom images for your content. In this video, we'll explore 3 free text-to-image generators that can help you quickly generate engaging visuals for your blog, newsletter, or website. Finding high-quality, relevant images can be time-consuming and expensive. But with recent advances in AI, you can now describe the type of image you need and have it generated in seconds for free. The tools we'll look at today require no design experience and make creating customized images fast and simple. Now let's dive in. The first free text-to-image software can be found by going to replicate.com. Now we want to click the Explore button in the top right. Here you are going to see an astronaut riding a unicorn with the model title Stability AI SDXL. Click on it. Now on the left side of the screen we have the input, and on the right side we have the image output. Let's say we want an image for an art blog. Then we would want to go to the input prompt and put something like a man wearing a suit looking at art in an art gallery. Now if we wanted to, we could change the width and height of the image output, but for now let's leave it as it is, and change the number of output images to 4, so we have a variety of choice. And then hit Submit to generate the images. Then voila! On the right you will see all of the 4 generated images we wanted. Then just click the download button at the bottom to download the generated images. Now for the second way, we want to visit huggingface.co, where we want to click the Spaces button in the top toolbar. Then type in the search bar text to image. And then choose Text to Image by Tony Assey. Then for this software, you have to be super precise with your prompt. So let's put an image of the back of a man wearing a suit, looking at a medieval painting of a castle. And then change the size of the image. And then hit Submit to generate the images. Then just like that, we have our image and can download it to our computer from the button in the top right of the image. Now for the final way. We want to go back to huggingface.co and click on the Spaces button in the toolbar. And in the search bar, type Latent Consistency Models. And select Latent Consistency Models by Simeon Luo. Then in the advanced options, we can change the desired output image height and width. Then in the prompt input, we can put a man wearing a suit looking at art in a gallery. Then click Run to generate the images. Then you have 4 generated images. Which we can download an image by clicking on one of them and then the download button in the top right corner of the image. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos on how to use AI and on how others use AI in different industries.